Okay, so this is a 52-inch. I'm not sure what the brand name of this fan is yet, but I'm not sure what that brand name is. I'm not sure. I think it's a code up. I'm not sure. This is in the downstairs kitchenette. And I finished filming the Atom fan division right there. I'm going to film this fan today, unknown fan, because I don't know what the brand name is yet. But I will get a viewer or subscriber. So yeah. I'm going to start the light. Here's the light. Here's low speed. Yep. This is installed in the downstairs kitchen at a Roblox house. This is in the basement. Here's low speed. There's no switches or anything. I can just directly turn it on. I'll show medium. Here's medium speed. These are very nice blade brackets. They're very attractive. Here's the top of it. Because there's no brand name on this fan. I checked on the motor housing and everything, and I don't see anything. Alright, here goes high. Here's high. As you can see, this fan has reversible white to oak blades. White blades are facing down. Reversible white to light oak. Here's high with the light. Anyways, that's it. Hope